First of all, I want to greet you all. How are you? We are not. I'm not in cabinet to recruit the youth for MK project. Already, MK project has over 21 million young people, and MK OPLU, as we call it, we are not a political party. We are a civic organization that is aimed at patriotism, spreading the love of country and fairness in society. So it is a very good civic organization where I encourage each one of you to join. So my being appointed a minister, I've come to fix the challenges, to address the challenges affecting young people. And majorly young people have 4 or 5 challenges, and children. For young people, they make 75% of the population. However, out of the 75, 83% of those young people are unskilled, they are uneducated, they are unemployed, they are subsistence livers. Then out of that, only 17 are skilled. So what will be my role as a Minister of the Youth is I will advocate for skilling. But we don't have to skill people, everyone to do skilling of making bricks and the chapata and etc. Each sub-region of Uganda has its core. Karamoja has minerals, so the youth of Karamoja should be skilled in mining. Bunyoro has oil, our youth in Bunyoro should do more of oil and gas. Then the youth in Buganda are good coffee farmers. So we need to do that, but for me to achieve that as a minister, I will reach out to the young people in their sub-regions, hear from them, and then in an incubator, they give proposals of what we need to do. And those proposals will be tabled to cabinet, so that we can able forward them to the August House or to Parliament. So I'm here to fix the problem of unemployment. And then for children, as you are aware, so many young people, about 9 million youth are women. Out of the 90 million, 51% have either been married, forcefully married, or they have conceived, or they have aborted. But the danger for that, or the cause for that, is lack of reproductive health. So I will focus on reproductive health of young people. Why would a young child of 12, 13, 14 conceive? What a rush for? So our focus will be on reproductive health, on employment, on skilling, on trainings, and then on appraisals, and then also patriotism in class, in schools. Because when you have patriotism, you'll have the spirit, you'll have the goodwill, you'll have the love for country. So we shall not steal if we are patriots. We shall not misuse our resources if we are patriots. We shall love country. So as a Minister of Youth, I will focus on that. And then I want to give you an example of a country called United States of America. It has 380 million people. However, out of the 380, 70 million people are employed by federal government of USA. The rest of the population is employed by private sector. The way I work in Uganda, I've been in private business. I'm a private businessman. I've done my private business successfully over years. So I want us to benchmark on the US, UK, Ireland, and Germany, that the government cannot employ everyone. In Uganda, we have 42 million, 700,000 are employed by government. Government cannot employ everyone, but government can fund private sector, can give us more money, can give us some money, can give circles money, and then we form employment. So as a minister, I will focus on that. Okay. It's my first time in appointments, and my ministry hold 75% of the population. I want to inform you on that. As you could be aware, a young person is defined by 16 to 30. All those are young people. So the way you are asking me the same questions, those are the questions they ask. What are you going to do for the young people? So there was not much. As you are aware, the first candidates are members of parliament who have been here. And then the other one has been a PPS who was formerly a member of parliament. So I needed to give time and also to listen to the representative, to the people's representative who are in the committee. There was no much. We had an open discussion, and I want to upload the Speaker of Parliament for the warm reception and the members of the appointments committee. They are really very, very nice. I did my pitch in 2 minutes. The rest were discussing what can we do for the country? What are you going to do special for the young people? So that is it. So I thank the Speaker and the rest of the appointments committee for the hospitality and the warm welcome and the guidance I received in their committee. Lwaki nduddeyo nnyo? Nduddeyo kubanga tubadde twogera ku nsonga eziruma eggwanga. Ensonga ez'abavubuka abakola ebitundu 75 ku 100 nnyingi, ate gavumenti zonna mu nsi ziyimirirawo kuki? Ku bavubuka. So babadde balina okumpa obudde obumala twogere ku nsonga eziruma abavubuka. Mujjukire nti akulira akakiiko ako ye Speaker wa Parliament, so alina okumanya ebizibu bye tulina nga abavubuka oba nga ministry. So togenda ogende mu kakiiko oberenga wa ministry ya minerals, talina kumalayo obudde bungi kubanga ayogera mu byabugagga bya mutaka. Nenzo w'abavubuka nina okuweebwa obudde obumala, era niwe nabeera njogera ku floor of Parliament nja kuba njogerera ebiruma abavubuka. Then ekirala mbuuzizza nti bandeese mu government ku recruitingira PLU ne mu bugamba nti PLU kibiina kya bannakyewa, si kibiina kya byabufuzi. It's a non-partisan. Tekirimu byabufuzi byonna. Ffe tetwagalira ddala byabufuzi mu PLU. Mu PLU kye twagalayo, twagala omwoyo gwa ggwanga. Tupreachinga ki? Omwoyo gwa ggwanga. Tupreachinga fairness. Nti omunaku naye abeere bamusalire omusango nga bamusalire mu mazima. Si omugagga kusinga nga omunaku akola ki? So byebigendererwa byaffe. So omukyala njagadde kubaddamu mu bannamawulire nti PLU civic organization oba ekibiina eky'obwannakyewa ekyavaayo okulwanirira Abanayuganda okufuna obwenkanya wamu n'omwoyo gwa ggwanga. Bw'obanga toli mwoyo gwa ggwanga okwata ekipiira n'oyokya ekkubo. Bw'obanga toli mwoyo gwa ggwanga bakuwa pick-up ya gavumenti n'ogisomesa amatafaali ku site yo. Obanga toli mwoyo gwa ggwanga odiibuuda. So ffe tuli ba mwoyo gwa ggwanga, tetuli kibiina kya byabufuzi. Ate tukulemberwa General Muhoozi Kainerugaba naye akkirizibwa nga mwoyo gwa ggwanga. Singa kya byabufuzi teyandize, ayinza okujja mu byabufuzi nga musirikale? So amateeka tugamanyi bulungi, tasobola kujja mu byabufuzi nga musirikale. Abavubuka ekisooka kyensabye era kyeneeyama mwenna abali wano, manyimu abasinga muwagira National Unity Platform. Ngenda kulwanira abavubuka abaasibwa, mbamanyi. Ngenda kulwanira abavubuka abaasibwa, ngenda kusaba President abaana abaasibwa aba NUP bonna abasumulule, tubarehabilitating, tubongere mu labor force yaffe. Eyo point emu. Ekyokubiri, ngenda kulaba nti abavubuka bonna mu ggwanga tufuna institutions eziba training ku skills. Ebitundu 75 eby'abavubuka mu Uganda tebiri skilled. Tulina ebitundu 75 population ya Uganda. Ku bukadde ana mu bubiri ebitundu kusinzira ku population ya census yakolewa 2011 ebitundu 75 bavubuka. So twagala kulaba abavubuka abayina emirimu aba abayina skill ezikola emirimu abayina obukugu ku mirimu just bali ebitundu 17. Ebitundu 83 tezina ki tebayina skill. So twagala abavubuka baba training bafune skills development bayige emirimu gy'emitwe nga gibagasa mu bitundu bwe bagiyigidde. Okusinga bitundu abayigiriza okusiba enviiri ekalamoja ng'ate balina obuviiri bwa kaweke tebumera kati enviiri nazisibayo ddi. Kusinga we n'abayigiriza okusimba emwanyi mu buliisa ng'ate manyi semi desert. So twagala tuyigiriza abavubuka kusinzira mu bitundu bye bavaamu. So njagala kwebaza President olw'okulonda Mastercard Mr. Fixer. Ngenda kufixinga kiri ekizibu. Mpozi nga sente ezitaliiwo ne sente wezibeerawo nga ne bamawulire we bali, njagala buli kimu kibeere kyalwatu tukyanike. So mwebaza nnyo President ate nebaza nnyo General Muhoozi yasooka okumpa obukulembeze mu kibiina kyaffe kya mu civic organization yaffe ya PLU. Singa teyanonda osanga President yanindabye nga we yali andaba. Kubanga President nze yandikawo n'alonda full figure nga mukama wange. N'alonda mwami Buchamani nga mukama wange. Myaka gino gyonna nga atenze ndudde naye nga mukolera. Naye ku luno yasazeewo n'agamba kanzijeyo Mastercard efixinga ebiganye. So munaatuulira mu 2026 mujja tuulira. T-shirt makes me comfortable. Imagine in the morning I woke up, I had to look for a matching shirt, a matching tie, then these are the shoes. Yeah, I like Clarks, I like sneakers. So it's an inconvenience. I want us to focus on things that are productive other than dresses. But I will respect the guest house and the cabinet. I will put on what they want. But when I'm doing my private work, you remember I'm a businessman. Yes, who's better than Zuckerberg? So I'll remain there. But those ones who are buying them, those ones who are buying my shirts, please go ahead. Yes, go ahead. Anyire wanange munzikirize ngende netegeke tugenda kulayira.